Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is International Chess Day. The world will observe 99th International Chess Day on July 20th, a day dedicated to celebrating intellectual and cultural game of chess. The date marks the establishment of the International Chess Federation in Paris in 1924. Further, UN General Assembly gave its recognition to the day in 2019. Now let us discuss history of chess. Chess is believed to have its origins in Chaturanga, played in the northern Indian subcontinent during the Gupta period. It spread westward to Persia through the Silk Roads and became known as Chaturang or Shatranj. As per Persian references, dating back to 600 CE, chess was presented as a gift to King Khusro I by Indian subcontinent ambassador. Over time, it gained popularity in Europe and Russia, evolving into the modern chess we know today. Now let us look into the significance. Chess, being one of the oldest and most strategic board games, combines sport, scientific thinking, and elements of art. It is an inclusive, affordable, and accessible activity that transcends barriers of language, age, etc. Designation by UN recognizes FIDE's crucial in promoting international cooperation for chess and providing platform to foster dialogue, solidarity, and culture of peace among all peoples.